Hytech Automation CNC simulators are equipped with actual CNC controllers from either Fanuc or Siemens. The CNC simulator is a perfect addition to the classroom and an essential component to gain maximum exposure to CNC controls when actual machine time is limited. CNC Simulator is designed with the classroom in mind. Students can perform operations and programming exercises away from the machine and then simply take the program to the machine. CNC simulators focus on process-oriented conversational programming. For students advancing to a smaller job shop or tool room, CNC simulators simplify programming and operational experience and enhances their productivity.